which indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, power windows, satellite radio, pass-through rear seat, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, security system, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.